Okay, so we're going to first review what an equivalent equation is. Think about what does equivalent mean. It means
the equal sign.
Equal. They equal, right? So what are equal equations? And I'll show you and see if you notice. Okay, I've got this equation, and I'm gonna write another equal equation to this and see if you can pick up on a pattern. There is an equivalent fraction.
It both have
There
equal sign.
is an equivalent equation.
They both have a 10 on both x and y. They both have to be the same thing.
So these are all equivalent to this guy. In fact, all these equations up here are all equivalent to each other.
What you do to x, you have to do to y.
Yeah, and what else? But I went from 6 to 12, 24, 60.
Then we'll go by.
It's always x plus y equals.
Yeah. So here, let me show you this. If these are all equivalent.
I get it.
You get it?
Yeah, 10 times 6, 64
Yes.
times 6, 24.
So if I take these and divide them, thank you. I'll edit you out.
There you go.
What if I divide everybody by 2? What do we get?
12.
Divide everybody by
24.
2.
You're gonna get.
Ouch.
Yeah.
You see why?
Yeah.
What if I divide everybody by 4?
6.
6.
X plus
Yeah.
y.
What if I divide everybody by 6?
By
6.
6?
I mean 10, sorry.
You get x plus
Yeah.
y equals 6.
So what we call that is like a scalar. We scale this. We can take everything in here and multiply it by a number.
It all equals the same
And
thing.
all these equations
Equal
equal
what?
the same. They're all the same equation.
They all equal the equivalent.
So that is the definition of equivalent
Equal sign.
fraction, or sorry, equation. And why that matters to you is going to be a little bit in the future, but I just want you to understand that. I don't think I understood that until later. All right. So we're going to look at example 1. I do think this is in your notes. 2x minus y equals 13, right? And 3x plus 4y equals 3. Is that what you have on your notes?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Do you have different notes than everybody else?
I don't know where we are. Oh, okay, yes.
Okay.
You're right.
All right. Well, do you remember how we were solving these before? Brian's house?
Brian Hop.
Oh. Brian Hop. Okay. You guys, we're going to solve. Before you guys solved by what was called what? Solve by substitution. I'm going to just abbreviate that. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And when you solved by substitution, you would pick like this one, get it by itself, and plug it into this one. Do you remember those?
Mhm.
Today we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it by oh my goodness.
Elimination.
How can I not spell today?
I don't know how to
Yeah.
spell elimination.
Elimination.
This is called solving by elimination. Okay? And we're going to use that thing that I taught you about, equivalent fraction or equivalent equations, and use that to eliminate. Look at here. So I'm not sure what can I look at your notes for a minute?
Let's call it elimination.
Okay, so step 1, set them up, lining up their variables. Okay, what I mean is my x's are lined up, my y's are lined up, and then my constant over there is lined up. Right, now the nice thing, what we do is we basically we're going to be adding equations. So like over here would be 13 plus 3 would be 16. This would be, so I'm going to show you this. Don't write anything, but look at what happens when I add these equations. You see where I got the 5x, the 3y, and the 16?
Mhm.
Okay, that's how we vertically add. Now, that did nothing for us. But what if I made an equivalent equation up here? What if I multiply everybody in that equation times 4? You might not be able to see ahead why we're going to do that. I'm going to do that and write it down there.
Minus 4.
Okay, guys, 8x minus 4y. What happens when, because the whole point is that
Oh, ha
and then 13 times 4 is 52. If you know a deck of cards very well, that's how you might know your 13s. 52 card pickup, and there's 4 suits. Anyway.
2 card pickup.
So now we're looking at this. This is an equivalent equation of this. These are the same equation. So let's go ahead and add those like I said before. What did we just do? We eliminated y. Now we have 11x equals 55. Right? Isn't that nice? In fact, I like this better than substitution. Sometimes it's faster.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, I would
Then-
have down.
Go get him, Cole.
So now we can solve for 11, or x by dividing by 11. X equals 5. Gotcha?
There's Y.
Oh, but you're right. So again, we are solving systems of equations, so all that means is we only have half of our answer, right? We know what x is, but we don't know what y is. How would we find out what y is? We have half. Could we just plug in this 5 into any one of these 3?
Mhm.
I'm just going to pick the top one. 2
10.
times 5 minus y equals 13. Now, if you tend to want to do things in your head, don't. You need to write these out, or unless you're getting 100% all the time,
No.
then you can do more in your head, but you have to write it out because this is going to cause a lot
Major
of errors
problem.
if you don't, especially with positive and negative numbers.
Mhm.
So y I get equals 3. And that's the final answer to solving by elimination. When we do it. Now I see that I made a mistake. No. Oh, I'm sorry. I was looking at in my book. Thought they were saying. Oh, they're saying it's -3. Did I make a mistake somewhere?
No,
Yeah,
they're wrong.
Because it's 3, negative y equals 3. So y
Oh, that was
equals
positive
-3.
3. Yes, good. Thank you, Jordan.
So it's a negative.
What would my
y.
video be like if you weren't here? It would be all wrong. So it's actually -3.
-3.
Gotcha. This was negative y equals positive 3. So positive y equals -3.
Okay.
Okay, let's try. Now in your notes, can I
It
get
says
that?
Watch examples.
Yeah, so I need to
67,
turn your paper over and we're gonna try some of these. These are hard.
64.
Dude,
There's only
I'm
4
under-
examples.
Yeah.
What?
Turn your page over and I need a
Whatever.
blank space. Oh boy. This is Taylor Swift. Okay, solve by using elimination. We're gonna go ahead and write 2x minus 3y equals 5. You're gonna try this with me. And 3x plus 4y. Uh-oh, this
Equals -7.
18 I got? -18.
What?
Oh, what are
We're
you
not
doing,
doing that in
Isaac?
practices. I want you to blank
Yeah,
Look at ours.
the blank sheet. This is example 2. Right?
Oh,
we
get
go.
Write
over.
down this problem. 2x minus 3y
Barely
equals 5, and 3x plus 4y equals -18. Now, they start out they didn't really give us a break and do any easy ones, did they?
No.
No.
Because, how do you know that? I can't multiply these guys by something to match up with this. We have to multiply both equations by something different.
The bottom one goes by 3 and the top one goes by 4.
I don't know how
Okay.
that
We
happened.
want
X.
some of these numbers to match up so that we can drop out. So here, let me just show you. Jordan says, what if we take this one and multiply by everybody by 4?
Ah!
Get-
Okay?
bottom one first.
If we do that,
Where did the 4 come from?
we had to, she's actually looking at the 3 and the 4, and we want them to be able to cancel each other out. So if we multiply 3 times 4, we get 12, and if we multiply 4 times 3, we get 12. So then we'll get 2 12s here, and they'll be able to be eliminated.
Get out of here.
8x minus 12.
Wait, but that doesn't work because both the 12s are negative.
Well, no, they're not. We are
this one, if you
changing
multiply by
the rules.
4, it's
Oh, yours is
positive.
positive. I had a
Or-
negative 4.
Oh, well, yeah, if you wrote the problem wrong. Then, if that happens though, Jordan,
You'd get it all
multiply by a
wrong.
negative out here.
Okay.
A negative factor, a
Okay.
negative scalar. Okay, so this one though, we don't multiply by 4. Isaac, what are we gonna multiply this equation by?
3.
Yes, good. 3.
Yay!
So we get
9x plus 12
9x
equals negative
plus
54.
12y equals
Negative 54.
negative. How did you know 18 times 3?
Because 9 times 6 is 54. And 18 times 3 is the same thing.
What?
Good thought.
What?
She knows how to do quick mental math.
I don't know what we were timesing.
Oh, well, it's fine. We're just discussing until we have everybody on the same. Everybody got this written down?
Change
Okay,
that.
we're good.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
So now we're gonna draw our line and we're going to add these equations. So 8 and 9 make 17 x's. These guys drop out. So some people write plus 0x, or sorry, 0y. But that's kind of a waste of time, isn't it? Can't we just leave it
Big
down?
waste of
It's
time.
gone. Equals negative 34.
X equals negative 2.
Yeah. And if you know your 17s, at least you should know your double 17s. 17 times 2, 18 times 2, and 19 times 2 are math facts that would be very prudent to learn. X equals negative 2. Are we done? I
No.
feel like we're done. Look at all this writing. We should be done.
Aha! No,
Are we
we're
done?
not.
No, we're not done. All right, we've got part of our answer.
We have just begun.
Okay, I'm just gonna take that top one again, this top equation, and plug in negative 2 for x to find our y.
Plug in.
Plug it in, plug it in. There used to be a
So,
commercial for Glade plugins. So my generation used to always sing that when we had to do these. Plug it in, plug it in.
I equals negative 3.
plug it in.
How are you doing, Carly? It's making sense? Cool.
It just
What?
took like half my page.
Isn't that beautiful?
It took like half my page.
Yeah.
It took like
Yeah, it's okay.
not
guys.
even a quarter.
We are not here to save trees. We're here to learn math.
We are here to destroy the trees.
Sometimes
Chop them
trees
down and
have
burn them.
sacrificed for your education because then you'll be able to.
Your education's
Yeah.
more important.
It's all right. The trees are fine with this. All right. Now we have another one. Should I have you try it on your own? Oh, we
Yeah,
got 2
what is
more.
it?
No,
More
don't
big
let
ones.
us.
Okay.
Don't leave us.
It's good practice.
Leave us.
Leave you.
Give us the problem and run away.
All right, so example 3. Solve by using the elimination method, but this time eliminate y. Oh no, that's the one we just did.
It's gonna turn into an international
Is that really the
incident.
one we did? Oh, yeah, no. Oh, it's the same problem,
Okay.
but they want us to, this time, eliminate y. What did we, oh, we already eliminated y. So this time,
Why? Rip it up.
oh, they eliminated, okay, this time let's eliminate x,
Okay.
okay?
Eliminate.
What, how would we do that?
Okay.
This time we want to eliminate these two. We want these two to be the same number, one positive and one negative.
3 and 2.
Almost. What are we missing?
4 and 3.
It is 3 and 2, but like I said, one needs to be positive and one needs to be negative.
I'm.
Oh, negative
Let's turn
3 or
3y.
negative
positive and 4y negative.
Well, we're looking at the x's, not the y's.
-2 times
2.
the second one. Or you could do -3, it doesn't really matter.
3y is
How about
the
that
lucky
times
number.
-3?
Okay,
And this times 2.
okay. Okay.
Oh, fine.
-6, -3y equals
Okay.
6
Snacky.
x.
X.
God, I like to write -4.
I like keeping the 3's nice.
Dang it, I forgot the multiply. The other
Because usually in my
struggling
world, 3's are
today.
associated with evil.
9 up, so positive. -15. 8.
Ready? Everyone feeling ready to add the equations?
Hallelujah.
Alright, 0 x's. Yay, that means we did that correct.
Now we have Isaac munching in the video.
17 and 51. Is there anything... Well, we actually knew in the last problem. What do you guys remember what y equals?
Huh?
The
No.
last problem.
Oh yeah,
we had
y
the same-
equals -3.
Yeah, so,
So-
17 times 3 is 51. Did everyone know that? Just memorize it?
Nope.
How? What? Oh.
Is your head in front? Is her head in front of the camera?
Stop moving. Ah. Oh.
Okay. Now we're gonna take -3 and plug it back into either one. I'm gonna go to the bottom this time. 3 times -3 is -9 plus. Whoops. I'm
Nah.
plugging in the wrong thing.
You messed me up too.
3x plus or minus 12. 4 times -3
Man, that makes me thirsty.
equals positive 54.
Oh. Oh.
Wait, how
Oh,
did
I'm
you
all
get
over the place.
54?
I was pretending that I knew what. Oh, I don't know.
Well, let's make it 54.
Making stuff up. Let's make it back to what it was supposed to be, -18. I multiplied 18 by 3 for some reason. Okay, so 3x equals, so we add 12.
X equals
We
-2.
don't want you here.
I can't reach the puzzles.
Alright, there is one more to try. Hey, can you withhold the just the pretzels for just a little bit longer? And then we got it. Alright, now this last one, I'm going to ask that you start doing on, well, we'll talk about what you're going to do. If you're ready.
Dun, dun, dun.
You guys do that. I'm gonna go to a cup of water.
What are you going to do?
He's getting water.
You have it written down yet?
No.
Could you wait and have water after we're done with this one problem?
Yep.
Alright, is it written down? What are we going to do? What would you guys like to solve by? What do we want to eliminate? You guys want to eliminate these or these?
Wise.
I'll eliminate the y's.
The X would be
Here's-
easier.
Do you know why I like the y's? Is because we already have a positive and negative. That way we don't have to multiply by a negative, because anytime you multiply by negative, you run the risk of forgetting that you were multiplying by a negative.
Let's get rid of that y's because the y's got a negative.
Yeah, exactly. They already have the correct sign. So, if we have a 5 and a 4, what's our goal? Probably get to, what's their least common multiple? 20? So, if we're going to end up with 20, let's multiply this times 4 and this equation times 5. Okay. And see how fast you can do that.
There's kind of creepy music going on.
Dun, dun,
Bang.
dun, dun. It's like a feature film. What? Yeah.
Somebody's gonna die.
Now we need him to play something joyful, like when we solve for.
-1. X equals -1.
Well, you're already there, huh?
Yes, because you told me to do it as fast as I can.
Okay,
Or
let's
see how fast you can do it. I can do it
Keep
fast.
going.
okay. A equals 15 is what? Like 23x equals. That's nice, right? Yeah, because we've got negatives. Or
Down. Hurry.
Okay. Did everyone get x equals -1 yet?
One, yes.
Okay.
You did?
Why?
Wait, did you get your y yet?
No.
No, kid, come sit down and find your y.
Y also
Then you get
equals
your Y.
-1.
Huh?
Y also equals -1.
Right. So I'm gonna plug this up in here.
Quit whacking the table,
1
man.
minus 4y equals 1. -3 minus 4y
Done.
equals 1. Did you?
You didn't do the problem.
No, Isaac, seriously.
When
Gotta
was
do
this
the work.
problem
Gotta
even
pay
done?
the
You
price
did the
before
top
you get your
one.
water.
I did the.
What?
Wait, which one did you do?
I plugged it in here.
Oh, I plugged it in the top one.
Use one of these equations and plug x equals -1.
We still got the
Into.
same answer. Okay.
You still what?
We still got the same answer. Okay, can I turn the video off now? Or are we done?
Yes, we